Okay, back again. John from Australia. Okay, so this little caterpillar I just found, pooing all over the place. Now, he's actually eating a really pesty vine that they nearly call a mile a minute. It grows so fast. Now, you can see the mess he's made down here. Looks like cockroach poo everywhere. And then down further, there's some really big poo. So I'd say, because there's so much of it, there must be more than one around. So we'll have a look around and we'll see what we can find. Alright, we'll have a look around here. Ah, here's another one. Well, these are very easy for the birds to pick off, but they survive. I'm pretty sure they grow into a happy wanderer butterfly. Yeah, big orange and black butterfly, great big one. There's a bird here, look, he's just flying around, he's trying to get one. He's spotted it. We'll see if he can, he's onto it. They're flying around, they're trying to get him. Hate to be you, buddy. There's a heap of birds out here.